Kenyatta pamoja na kwamba ameweza kulikwepa suala la migomo, hususan mgomo wa madaktari na suala la ufisadi kwa ujumla, lakini kikubwa akitanguliza hotuba yake alianza kwa dakika moja wa Kenya kutia dua kuwaombea ndugu zetu, jamaa na marafiki na familia ya wale waliofikwa na mkasa wa ajali barabara ya Naivasha Nakuru na watu 40 kuweza kuaga dunia. Tulitarajia atazungumzia elimu na amepongeza sana mfumo wa elimu nchini akisema kwamba
Staying with KTN News as we continue with our comprehensive coverage of the JUMHURI Day celebrations. Of course, the commemoration ceremony is taking place at the Nyayo National Stadium for the national celebrations. We've seen President Uhuru Kenyatta just delivering his speech there in a ceremony that was relatively short, saying that he was observing the state of the weather this afternoon, and similar ceremonies are taking place across the country, in the counties, as is being presided over by regional coordinators as well as county coordinators. And in his speech, President Uhuru Kenyatta has addressed the state of the youth in the country, saying that his administration has a vision to address the matter, the issue of employment. He also spoke extensively about the NYS issue, urging Kenyans to separate the issue and the successes that he says this program has managed to achieve since its inception in 2013, and separate it from the individuals who are tasked with, leading this program that were, have been marred with a lot of, misconduct. And so just speaking there, also addressing the issue of elections next year, saying that as we head into that period, saying that the country will not accept foreign interference with regard to the preparation and the actual conduct of the electioneering process, saying that there are institutions that are in place and tasked and able to